Hello everyone, my name is Igor. Today we're trading with the broker Quotex. I've been trading binary options for over 11 years. Today I'll show you my trading strategy based on support and resistance levels with an expiration time of 5 minutes and a trade amount of $25. Let's start analyzing the chart and see where we have interesting opportunities to open a trade on the euro. The Australian dollar has dropped a bit, so let's take a look at more interesting time frames, for example the 15-minute chart. Yes, we have a local minimum here. The problem is, I'm not entirely sure, maybe this is a false breakout of the local minimum zone. Let's try to open a trade. Let me explain what I'm basing my decisions on. Our local minimum, there may be a false breakout here. If this is the case, the price will return to the support zone or even higher. There's also the possibility that the price will go even lower, then my deal will simply close in the minus. I don't see any other options here. Euro dollar, we have a bullish deal. Our price is moving directly in an upward trend. This is wonderful, it is noticeable. The price has returned to the previously broken support zone, which was resistance before and is now support. From here, I open a bullish trade, and with the expectation that the price will move toward the local maximum. Euro Canadian is opening a bullish trade, local minimum. There is a high probability that the price will not break through this zone. By the way, as an additional factor, for Euro Australian, we have assets like Euro Dollar and Euro Canadian, which indicate that a bullish trade should be opened. Usually, assets with the same currency tend to move more or less in the same direction. Therefore, if you have two additional signals somewhere, most likely the third one will also be correct. Euro Swiss franc is also opening a bullish trade. Support zone and resistance zone. The price has dropped to this zone, so it's a reversal trade. I'm opening it. However, nothing is happening with the Euro Australian so far. The price is negative and quite significantly. There are still 3 minutes left, so maybe something will change. Dollar, Japanese yen opens a bullish trade, local minimum. It's all simple here. Once we open a trade, you can see that the price has made several attempts to break through this zone. A bullish trade. Yes, of course, the longer the price tries to break through the same zone, the higher the probability that it will succeed. But again, that's not guaranteed. While there's still an opportunity, I prefer to trade on the rebound. When the price breaks through the zone and returns to it, then yes, you can trade with the trend there. But since there hasn't been a breakout yet, I'm trading the reversal and I'm opening a bullish trade on the euro as well. We also have the opportunity to open this trade from the support zone, so let's see how that turns out. Let's look at the facts. What's happening? EU or Dutch USD is showing a small loss, nothing serious. EU or CAD, the price is also near the entry point. Euro CHF, the price hasn't moved anywhere either. Euro. Let me duplicate it. I probably shouldn't be doing this, but oh well. USD JPY is in profit, Euro JPY is showing a small gain. With Euro AUD, I probably shouldn't have opened a second trade because the zone might break now, it's a local minimum, and the price could drop sharply even lower. I kind of forgot myself and rushed into this trade, but let's see how it actually turns out. But the risk is increasing. I could have just lost the upper trade and not risked another $25. That would have been the more sensible decision. Basically, I could duplicate the trades on EUR USD and EUR CAD. The price is standing still for us, well, almost. The signal hasn't disappeared anywhere, it's just that with this trade I'm slightly shifting the expiration time, counting on the start of the movement I need. And besides, even if the first trade closes at a loss, the second one might close in profit. That can happen too. Let's see how it actually turns out. We have 9 trades. That's probably enough for this trading session. Let's see how the price behaves. The first trade closes at a loss, that's the Euro Australian dollar. Here, it's a definite loss. The forecast didn't come true at all, and maybe the second forecast won't work out either. Euro dollar, the upper trade, 10 seconds left. Most likely it will also close at a loss. Price is close to the entry point, but there's no upward movement yet, so it will most likely end in a loss. Yes, the trade closes and it closes at a loss. Our next trade, as I understand, is the Euro Canadian dollar. Things are a bit more interesting. Here, the upper trade, the one closer to the price, will likely close in profit, unless there are sudden movements, in which case everything should be fine. Let's wait, 7 seconds left. Yes, the price continues to rise a little and everything is good here. So far, only 2 trades are in the red and 1 trade is in profit, out of 9 open trades. But yes, of course, there will be more losses ahead. For example, the Euro Swiss franc just can't seem to go up. Most of the time, the price is in the loss zone. And yes, I'm expecting a loss here. But it looks like there should be more profitable trades. This trade is closing here. I'm not going to do anything about it. It closed, and that's that. To hell with it. I think there will be more opportunities to make money. The US dollar and Japanese yen, this trade is about to close as well. 10 seconds until closing. Here, as you can see, we entered literally at the very bottom of the chart. And after that, the price just kept going up. The forecast here was completely accurate. We made a profit. And everything is good here. So far we've closed 5 trades, 3 trades in the red, 2 trades in the black, but I hope everything else will close as it should. Well, the euro-dollar pair is also pretty much standing still, the price isn't going up. Meanwhile, the euro-yen is closing in profit, as I understand it, in 8 seconds. And here too, the forecast is very good. We entered at the very bottom, the price went up, and we're making money. For the Euro-Aussie, we have 18 seconds until closing. The price has gone up a bit, but again, our previous trade was opened somewhere around here, and accordingly maybe even a little higher. So the price hasn't returned to the entry point in this zone. The upper forecast was completely wrong for me. At the very least it didn't work out, but how wrong it was I won't judge. But the lower trade closed in profit, 10 seconds until the next trade closes. Basically both trades are about to close now. Euro-Canadian I think is 100% closing in profit. But as for the euro-dollar, the situation here is a bit worse, but still a profit. Yes, both trades closed in profit. Wonderful. So 9 trades in total, 3 trades in the red and 6 trades in the black. As you've noticed, I only trade with a fixed stake. I don't double the stake amount or use such methods to get into profit. This allows me, even in case of some drawdowns, even if all my trades close at a loss, not to lose too much. It's simply a wonderful method. And basically I think it's the only one that really works in trading binary options. Thank you all very much for watching this video. In the description of this video, you'll find links to educational materials. Everything is free, no registration required, available to everyone. Go ahead, read, and keep learning. Well, that's all from me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave your comments. Wishing you successful trading, and see you soon. Goodbye, everyone.